Students. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we discuss about the first lecture of the chemistry, one of the book of your ninth class. Before discussing about the what is the chemistry, we discuss what is the science. Science is the knowledge that provides the understanding of this world and how it works. How इट वर्क्स यानी कि फुल वर्ल्ड फुल यूनिवर्स कैसे काम कर रही है, दिन का रात में तब्दील होना, रात का दिन में तब्दील होना, इसमें होने वाले मौसम वेदर्स की चेंजेस, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस वी स्टडी इन द सब्जेक्ट साइंस. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the composition, structure, properties, and the reaction of the matter is called chemistry. Now we discuss one by one these words. What is the structure? Structure tell us about the arrangement. साख्त. अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में हम बात करें, हमें अरेंजमेंट्स के बारे में बताते हैं. दैट इज़ द H2O, वाटर, वी ड्रिंक इट. In this structure we see that oxygen is lie in the center and the hydrogens lie at the sides of the oxygen atom, and what is the angle in between these atoms. All these arrangement we discuss about the term under the term structure. Now what is the composition? Composition tells us about this thing, that one thing is made up of which thing. For example, water. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen and the 1 oxygen. Carbon dioxide is made up of the 1 carbon and the 2 oxygens. Properties are khususiyat, characteristics are of the 2 types, that is the physical and the chemical. Physical properties depend upon the physical state. For example, H2 is a liquid. We discuss about the color, smell, taste, melting point, boiling point, and these characteristics are discussed under the term physical properties. So we can say that physical properties depend upon the physical state of the matter. Now next is the chemical properties. Chemical properties depend upon the composition. For example, H2O वाटर की composition है. Water, if we pass the electric current through the water, it decomposes into the H2 and the O2, and its composition is changed, so we say that it is the chemical property of the water. And the next one is the reaction. We discuss about the reactions of the water under this term. The last term is the matter. Anything which has the mass and the occupy the space is the matter. Again, anything which has the mass and occupy space is the matter. Each and everything around us are the examples of the matter, because each and everything around us has the mass and occupies some space. So we can say that each and everything around us are the examples of the matter. Now next, why we study the chemistry? What is the role of the chemistry in our life? What are the benefits of the chemistry? Chemistry play the role in the manufacturing of the drugs, clothes, wood and the paper, food, insecticide, pesticides, dyes and the pigments, ink, plastics and the petrochemicals. Now here there are 2 words. पेट्रोकेमिकल पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स को बोला जाता है पेट्रोकेमिकल्स. कैरोसिन ऑयल, फ्यूल, गैसोलिन ऑयल, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट which are obtained from the fossil fuels lie under the term petrochemicals. And the insecticides and the pesticide, insect killing and the pest killing sprays. Each and everything has a benefit along with the disadvantage are the limitations. So these are the advantages, benefits of the chemistry. But the manufacturing of the many chemicals releases the toxic gases in the air, due to which the air becomes polluted, and the toxic waste, contaminated water drained into the drinking water streams, due to which many diseases occur. The next branches of the chemistry. Chemistry is a vast subject. We divide the chemistry into the 8 branches, so we can study each and every branch in detail. First of all, we discuss about the physical chemistry. In the physical chemistry, we study the relationship between the composition and the physical properties of matter along with the changes in them. Up to the 6 to 8 level, we study about the structure of the atom. What is the structure of atom which we study in the 6 to 8 level? That an atom is made up of the three fundamental particles, that is the electron, proton and the neutron. Neutron and the proton are lie in the nucleus, and the electrons revolves around the nucleus. An atom is a neutral because the number of the electron and the number of the proton becomes equal. This knowledge we study in the 6 to 8 class, in the science subject. This is the structure of the atom. Now in the physical chemistry, we study about the structure of atom, how the atom is arranged, where is the electron and the proton, why the proton is positively charged, electron is negatively charged, atom as a whole is neutral, and the formation of the molecules. एक एलिमेंट से molecules कैसे फॉर्म होता है, कंपाउंड कैसे फॉर्म होता है, गैसेस का, लिक्विड्स का, सॉलिड्स का बिहेवियर क्या होता है under the different conditions, and the study of the effect of the temperature or radiation on the matter. Matter क्या था? Each and everything which has a mass and occupies space is called the matter. It means solid, liquid, gas, plasma, supercritical fluids, each and everything is the matter. And the effect of the temperature के ज़्यादा करने से increase of the temperature and the decrease of temperature, इसका effect हमने matter पर देखना है. रेडिएशन शुआएँ डिफरेंट, जैसे कि आप एक्सरेज करवाते हैं तो एक्सरेज का आपके बॉडी के ऊपर हार्मफुल इफेक्ट क्या है, उसका बेनिफिशियल इफेक्ट क्या है. दिस इज थिंग इज आल्सो स्टडीड अंडर द ब्रांच फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. द नेक्स्ट इज द ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री इज द स्टडी ऑफ द कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स ऑफ द कार्बन एंड द हाइड्रोजन एंड देयर डेरिवेटिव्स. Hydrocarbon, all compounds which are made up of only carbon and the hydrogen, that are the hydrocarbon. That the one of the example you studied in the 8th class, that is the methane, natural gas, CH4. Methane, natural gas and the CH4. And when these hydrocarbons are react with another, which products are obtained, these are the derivatives of the hydrocarbon. For example, if I say that CH4 is the hydrocarbon, that is the natural gas, if the one of the hydrogen is removed, that the methyl is formed, CH3, and CH3 methyl is the derivative of the CH4. And in this branch we study about the petroleum products, petrochemicals and the pharmaceutical industries, and these are the importance of the organic chemistry. And the organic compounds are exist naturally and as well as they are synthesized artificially in the laboratories. And even that the food is also the example of the organic compounds. And the covalent compound is a type of the compound which are formed by the sharing of the electrons. Covalent compounds are the types of the compounds which are formed by the sharing of electrons. The next is the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with all the elements and their compound except those of the compounds of the carbon and the hydrogen and their derivatives. Organic chemistry में just we study the compounds of the carbon and the hydrogen. Total 118 elements हैं. एक्सेप्ट कार्बन एंड द हाइड्रोजन 116 एलिमेंट्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. 116 एलिमेंट्स की और उनके कंपाउंड्स की स्टडी इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में की जाती है. एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में ऑल इंडस्ट्रीज फॉल कर जाती हैं. सिरामिक्स, सीमेंट्स, मेटलर्जी. मेटलर्जी कहते हैं एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेटल फ्रॉम द ओर्स. हम ज़मीन में मिनरल्स में से जो एक स्पेसिफिक मेटल को निकालते हैं उसको मेटलर्जी कहते हैं. जैसे कि कॉपर को निकालना, फिर कॉपर्स को हम वायरिंग में यूज़ करते हैं, डिफरेंट पर्पसेस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, ये मेटलर्जी में आता है. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज़ दैट बायोकेमिस्ट्री. बायो मीन लाइफ एंड द केमिस्ट्री का हम फर्स्ट स्लाइड में देख चुके हैं. व्हाट इज़ द केमिस्ट्री? दैट इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर, कंपोजिशन एंड द प्रॉपर्टीज एंड द केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ द मैटर, स्टडी ऑफ. In this biochemistry, we study the structure, composition, chemical reaction of only those substances found in the living organisms, that is the proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, DNA, RNA, like that compounds. And biochemistry is a separate discipline, and in which we study that how the living organism obtain the energy from the food, and how the changes occur in the body, and how the changes, these biological changes occur during a disease, and what is the scope of the medicine, food sciences, and the agriculture. What is the scope of the biochemistry? That is the medicine, food sciences, and the agriculture. The next is the industrial chemistry. In the industrial chemistry, we discuss about the manufacturing of the chemical compounds on the commercial scale. Around us, a lot of the compounds exist: cements, detergents, plastics, washing soda, glass, and the manufacturing of these products on the commercial scale, on large scale, to fulfill the needs of the whole world, whole country, whole city, lie under the industrial chemistry. Now, what is the manufacturing, which chemicals are formed under the industrial chemistry? Manufacturing of the basic chemicals such as the oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, caustic soda, nitric acid, and the sulfuric acid. These chemicals are manufactured in the which we study in the industrial chemistry. The chemical provides the raw material. What is the raw material? From which we prepare the another products, खाम माल, जिसको इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम दूसरी प्रोडक्ट्स को भी बना सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, कास्टिक सोडा को यूज़ करते सोप बनाते हैं, तो कास्टिक सोडा इज़ अ रॉ मटेरियल फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ द सोप. And the other example, fertilizer, agricultural products, and the paints and the papers. The next is that is the home task. You have to learn this lesson up to the industrial chemistry, and just practice करनी है आपने इन क्वेश्चंस की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है डिफाइन केमिस्ट्री, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, बायोकेमिस्ट्री. लर्न आपने कंप्लीट करना है स्टूडेंट्स, और आपने प्रैक्टिस जस्ट इन 3 क्वेश्चंस की करके उसकी पिक बना कर मुझे जी सूट पर सबमिट करवाना है. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.